Well, today we are going to talk about crystal clear water, bottled water right here with our friends Tom Watson and John Miles. How are you guys?
Very well.
I said we're doing great with our product placement here, aren't we?
You bet.
Everybody's got their water here. Hey, Tom, I am going to start with you. You're actually general manager for Crystal Clear Water, and people see these all over the place. All over, you guys are moving water bottles everywhere. Tell me a little bit about Crystal Clear.
Well, Crystal Clear Water, we've been in business here since 1975.
Yeah.
We're the largest in the state of Iowa. We sell more water than anybody else anywhere in the state. We deliver all throughout the metro and Des Moines to homes and offices. We're kind of a total water company. We have a little bit of everything, and in the last probably 7 years, we've added a coffee service along with our bottled water.
Wow, you guys do everything that I would have never thought. Coffee and all of those kind of things. Hot chocolate and
do hot chocolate,
yeah?
teas, soups. You know, anything to go with the hot and cold water coolers. So
I love it. You were telling me probably about 90% of the business out there. I think you guys got kind of wrapped up.
We've got a pretty good market share. We're pretty proud of that. Our guys, we've got a great staff of delivery guys. We've got 10 different drivers out there all the time and a couple supervisors. So we try to do the best we can do. Exactly.
I would assume, as you said, you do residential, you do commercial kinds of stuff. The options that you give to people are pretty varied, aren't they? I mean, you can do just about anything anybody wants.
You know, things have really updated in the last probably 5 to 10 years. Used to be there were standard old coolers, tan coolers. Nowadays we've got white coolers, we've got stainless steel coolers. We've got a variety of different products to choose from.
Upgrade and all kinds of stuff. And you were even telling me, we've got some different products. We can do the plastic, we can do water bottles, we can do glass bottles. We can do whatever we want there too, right?
We can deliver anything to their house. Anything from 1 gallon bottles to 5 gallon bottles, a small package, and a 10-ounce bottle to a half-liter bottle, 1 liters. So we've got a variety of everything to cover for whatever anybody wants to do.
Excellent, excellent. When I walked in, John said, "Do you want a bottle of water?" I said, "Yes, I will have a bottle of water here." John, we're gonna move over to here because as we're talking about all the different options, you said one of the new things is we have bottleless water systems, right?
Certainly.
What is that?
Well, we sell or rent the bottleless water cooler, and what that is, it's a water cooler with a filtration system inside of it.
Oh.
We get calls. Some people may not have storage for their 5s anymore, so we certain applications call for certain different things. So we actually brought in a bottleless water cooler. It takes up a little less space, it gives a good quality water. It doesn't compete with the quality of our Crystal Clear, but it's a good purified water.
Excellent.
Without the bottles.
Excellent. Something for everybody, right?
You bet.
Well, one of the things I want to talk to you about today here is more on the line of the water treatment systems here, and it's specific. I mean, I know you can do this for commercial, but I really want to hit on the residential stuff because that's what people are going to want to talk about. And it's really a matter of being able to do soft water in their homes. Tell me about this system. Why would I even want to do this? I guess first question, John.
You know what? Anymore, the city water supply it's heavily chlorinated. It's extremely hard. So what we do is we install water softeners, and Crystal Clear's been installing softeners for quite some time. We bought Echo Water of Iowa about 5 years ago, and we're really into it, really good right now.
Okay.
But we install these systems right after your water meter in your home.
Okay.
It takes about 2 hours to install them.
I was going to say, is this a long, lengthy kind of process to get them in at all?
Not at all. We can install the softener again in about 2 hours.
Okay.
Every drop of water that enters the home goes through the water softener, therefore softening the entire house.
So let's talk about, I guess I want to hit some of the benefits, because I'm sure a lot of people are going, well, I've already got water, it's coming in. What do I need to do that for?
Right.
But there's some huge benefits.
Oh, super benefits. Probably the main thing is it saves on the maintenance of all the appliances in your home that run water through it.
And why is that? Because it's just
you don't get
hard
that
water through there?
Certainly, you don't get that calcium, magnesium buildup. Anytime you see green on your plumbing or around your aerator on your faucet, you get that white scaly stuff. That's hard water.
Well, I've got a problem at my house then, if that's the deal.
Well, we can take care of that.
I'm sure we can.
But the softener removes that mineral
Right.
and replaces it with sodium. There's just an exchange. They take out the calcium, magnesium, and small amounts of iron and replace it with sodium.
You're also telling me, and I was looking at our little test demo over here, the difference of them, and it's the that soap scum kind of stuff on there too. Really, much cleaner. Gets the soap out, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Well, people talk about squeaky clean. Anytime you're squeaky after you get out of the shower, you're not clean. That's actually the mineral and the soap left on your skin. Well, without the softener, you don't have that mineral, so therefore you just have a slippery feeling, and that's just your natural oils coming out.
It's just a little more moisturizer.
Exactly.
In your skin
sure.
there too.
I mean, you don't use near the lotions in the wintertime with dry skin because you don't have that mineral and soap left on your skin.
Okay. And again, things like cutting down on the soap that you use and all of those things, right?
1 bottle of laundry soap with a water softener well, actually, you'll use the equivalency of about 30 bottles of laundry soap with a water softener. It just cuts it down immensely. Same with shampoos, dishwashing liquid, any type of soap with soft water. You're going to save probably 70% on that.
Wow, excellent.
You bet.
But what you're talking about as far as the equipment and installing it, a couple hours maybe, so it's not a hard process. I'm assuming when you're talking to people, you're going out and talking to them because there's different levels of equipment, different costs. I mean, you're going to work through that process.
Oh,
with
certainly,
them, right?
you bet. I mean, we start out with a standard water softener.
Okay.
Here in Central Iowa, we've got high chlorine in our water. Some people may just want soft water, and that we can do. Or if you want the chlorine removed as well, we're the only company in Central Iowa, well, all of Iowa, that can remove the calcium, magnesium, and iron, and the chlorine, and we do that with one machine.
Okay, okay. And again, so like I said, I mean, you're going to come out and talk to people
you
about
bet.
what's your house need, what do you need, what kind of water do you have now, all of that stuff,
And
right?
that's a good thing about us. We actually come to you. You don't have, I mean, if you'd like to come to
like
the
it.
showroom, we'd love to have you come in and talk to
Yeah.
us. But you give us a call. We'll come to you.
Perfect.
We'll test your water, and then we make recommendations for what's right for
Oh,
you.
nice, nice, nice. Now, two questions I want to still ask you here before we run out of time. Maintenance. Is there a lot of maintenance? Do I have to do that? Can you come do that? How does that work?
Sure. The only maintenance to a water softener, make sure the clock's right.
Okay.
All of our systems have a transformer on them,
Right.
so if the power goes out, it'll hold the power for about 36 hours. So really the only thing you have to worry about is to make sure salt is in it.
Okay. And I can do that as a homeowner
certainly.
myself. Okay.
You bet. Or give us a call.
Okay.
We'll come by, we'll check it for you. When we deliver the salt, there's no charge for delivery of the salt. We just charge for the salt.
Excellent.
We will actually test your water while we're there, free of charge. If we need to make any tweaks or adjustments to the system, we take care of it right then.
You guys are good.
We are.
You guys just take really good care of these people. What about warranty? Warranty on these systems
You bet.
as well?
All
Okay.
of our systems have lifetime warranty on the tanks and resin, and we do a 10-year, that's 10-year, parts and labor on the valve.
Wow.
Right.
That's very good.
We're the
then.
only one in Central Iowa to do that.
Excellent. Well, obviously, we want people to get a little information. I always tell people, you know what, go do a little homework before you start making a phone call and
Right.
things like that. Do we have a website, guys,
Oh,
that we want people to get to and look at first?
We have a wonderful website.
Okay.
They're tweaking it all the time.
Sure.
It's ccbw or
Okay.
crystalclearbottled.com.
All right. And they can find out all kinds of information on there?
Everything we carry is on our website.
Excellent. Very good. And then I assume we want people to call, so we probably need a phone number for you, right?
270-6006.
Okay.
Or if you want bottled water delivery, any type of delivery,
Right.
coffees, teas, like Tom was saying,
Okay.
265-2324.
All right, very good. Get a hold of it. So, again, like I said, we've done very well, I think, with our product placement here today, you guys.
Yeah.
Crystal clear water is what we're talking about. Get a hold of Tom, get a hold of John, and take good care of you. So, thanks, guys, for being here with me. I appreciate that.
Appreciate your time.
Thank you very
You
much.
bet.
We will be back.